Good morning, children. I'm Mohana Ravi. Today we are going to learn computer. Our first lesson is my computer. Okay. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn what is computer first. Okay. First, let me clear one thing. The things which are made by human are called man-made thing. Okay. The things which are present naturally in the world are natural thing. Okay, what is natural thing and what is man-made thing? What are all comes under natural thing and what are all comes under man-made thing? That we have to see first. Okay. For example, in man-made thing, if you see this picture, telephone and textbooks or books, whatever, common books and chairs and toys and table, what and all you see in your home are all man-made things. Okay. So what is man-made thing? Which are made by man or man-made thing. Okay. Next, what are natural things? Things which are found naturally are called natural things. For example, sun and the animal and trees and river, waterfall, air are all natural things. These natural things are created by God. Okay. So man-made thing and natural thing. Should know very clearly the difference between these two. Okay. Now, can you guess the thing that which are man-made and which are human-made? For example, if I ask you a sparrow, is it a man-made or natural? Yes. It is a natural. Okay. Then, if I ask you a flower, is it a man-made or natural? Yes, it is a natural. Next, if I ask you the other things like your school bag, camera, and cooker, and car, toy car are all man-made. Okay, man-made things. So what and all is has life. Okay, things which has life are called natural, which doesn't have any life, just work according per instruction, they are called man-made. Next, what is machine? What is machine? Machine is also man-made. Okay, isn't it? Machine is also a man-made thing. What is machine? Machine makes a work simple, easy. Okay, makes a work simple and easy. Now if you see this tailoring machine, okay, the person who's stitching by hand will take lot of time to stitch one particular to finish one particular stitching work will take lot of time. Rather than using hand to stitch, if you use the tailoring machine, in a minute the work will be finished. In this way, the machines makes a work very easy and simple, neat. Okay. Instead of using hand stitch, if you use machine, the work will be finished very nicely. The outcome will come very fine. Okay. Next, machine helps to do our work faster, isn't it? Is it true or not? Just now we saw a tailoring machine. How does it work? Okay, it will take lot of time if you do it by your hand, and it will not take that much of time if you do it with a machine. The same way, if you hand cook, will take much time. If you pressure cook, it will take lesser time. Okay, pressure cooker is also a kind of machine only. Next, the same way, washing your clothes. If you do hand wash, by your hand, if you wash, if you soak and rub clothes, and if you rinse, everything will take time. But if you put it in a machine, it will take in half an hour, n number of cloths can be washed, and it will be neat and clean too. Okay. Next. Okay, now we saw machines. What does this machine require? What is the requirement of this machine? The machine requires energy, that is electricity. The machine requires electricity. Okay, some machines require electricity, but do you think all machines require electricity? For example, we saw a tailoring machine. Is it require electricity? Yes, of course. Some brand new machines, tailoring machines requires it. But the earlier days, the machines they don't require the electricity. Okay, they don't require electricity. By hand or by legs, the machines were operated. Okay, some machines only require electricity, but some do not. Okay, next, machines which requires electricity. In our home we see lot of machines at kitchen and in living room. There are many in living room. If you take television, if you take fan. Okay, in kitchen we have many. If you take the electrical cooker and mixie grinder and all. Okay, these are all takes consumes electricity. Without electricity they don't work. Okay, they'll stuck. Next, the same way computer is also wonderful machine. It is a fantastic machine, and it requires electricity, of course, but it makes a work very simple. It makes a work very simple. It is very fast. It has lots of benefits it contains. Now, let us see the features of this computer. This computer is much more faster, very faster. If I ask you to count, if I give you 100 number, and if I ask you to count, how much time you will take? 100 numbers are there. How much time you will take? You will take at least minimum half an hour to count it. If you are good enough in maths, you will take at least half an hour to count. If the what about the kids who are that much not good in maths? Will take much more time, maybe around 2 hours too. Okay, but if I ask the computer to do it in a fraction of minute, it will make it just in one simple click. If I just click, the next moment the answer will be there in the computer. It is that much faster. We cannot compare ourselves with computer at all. Okay, now another thing, that if I ask you to do it, you will take half an hour, some may take 2 hours. Okay, half an hour also, it is a time only, no? Compared to computer, it matters, so we can save time. And will this get tired? We go to school by in the morning and you come back in the evening. By the time you come back to home, okay, you will be very tired, isn't it? You will be very tired. You'll throw your bag, you'll remove your socks and shoes, you'll remove your uniform, and you'll go back to the normal dress, and you will need to some relaxation. You will lie down, you'll sleep off some. Yes, someone play and all. But if you compare yourself with a computer, okay, if you compare yourself with a computer never gets tired. Okay, it never gets tired. It is very much active the whole day. If you ask to work also, it will be very active only, it will not get tired. Okay, and have you ever seen mother in the kitchen in the morning time, when she is preparing you for school? Okay, at a time she'll do all works. She'll cook, and she'll help you to wear your uniform, shoe, socks and all. She'll arrange the books in your bag. She'll comb your hair, and she'll pack the lunch. She'll keep all the packed lunch in your lunch bag. She'll do multitasking in one in single time. In a time, she'll do many works. At the same time, if sometimes father also, your father also would be getting ready for office, for them also, for him also, she will help, isn't it? Huh? So like your mother, the computer also do this multitasking job. Okay, now it has fantastic memory. No one can match with this memory. This memory, its memory is unpredictable. It is unpredictable memory, is a large memory it has got. Whatever you ask, what and all the questions you ask, like you type and ask, or you click on some computer, or you click on some movie, whatever it has. Even hundreds of musics and movies, it can contain, it can contain in with the help of this memory unit. Okay, whenever you ask, it will give you immediately the particular asked one in front of you. It never do any mistake. The mistakeless job. Have you ever imagined yourself doing works without any mistake? It is highly impossible for any human. No, it is also for me, including everyone. Okay, those who are very high in their position and well grown up and settled, and those are scientists, doctors, whomever you take, any human you take, mistakeless job is highly impossible for anyone. But with computer, it is impossible. It is possible. It is highly possible. It don't do any mistake unless and until you give wrong instruction. If you give wrong instruction, then the computer may have a chance to do mistake. Okay, if you ask wrong question, you will get wrong answer. If you ask right question, valid question, it will give you right valid answer. Okay, next, there are two types of computer. One is desktop. It is a computer kept on one place. We cannot carry this to anywhere. Okay, we cannot carry this to anywhere. Means it is attached in one place. Okay, it is very heavy machine where we cannot take all everything. It has lot of other parts. You cannot all connected with one single wire. Okay, so it is desktop. Next is laptop. It is also a type of computer which is higher, lighter, smaller than desktop, and can carry this to anywhere. It means the laptop consists all other parts of computer inbuilt inside with this machine. Okay, if you find a cpu, it is there inside the laptop, but for desktop it is separately attached, but here it is attached inside, inbuilt attachments. Okay, the same way you don't require mouse also, there is a touchpad. It has all peripherals, amenities, what and all required, it has inbuilt inside it. Okay, next, now it's time for recap. What and all we have learned, we'll do a small recap. First, I taught you what is computer. Computer is a machine. Okay, and what is the special characters, features of this computer is it works faster, saves time, it won't get tired, it is multitasking machine, does not make mistake, it keeps all the data into its memory. Okay, so these are all the special features of the computer. Now I think you would have understood what is computer and the special features, and natural things and man-made things, difference between them and all. That's all for this class. Next, in next class, we'll do further. Okay, till that, thank you kids.